How to convert BNB to USDT in Binance. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to convert BNB to USDT in Binance. First, open your Binance app on your mobile device and log in. Then tap on Trades at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap on Convert to start the conversion process. Tap on the From section and select BNB as the cryptocurrency you want to convert. Then, tap on the To section and choose USDT as the cryptocurrency you want to receive. Enter the amount of BNB you wish to convert. After entering the amount, tap on Preview Conversion to review the details of the conversion. Finally, tap on Deposit to complete the process. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified